Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a friend on the game. So all you're going to want to do first off is get to the home page, as you can see right here. Then you're going to want to look to the top right hand corner where you'll see next to the little cogs down the right at the top right. The one next to it kind of looks like a little padlock or two people behind each other depending on how you look at it. You're going to want to click on that little icon there. And then it's going to bring up where it says like your name, and then directly next to it there's a button where it looks like a little person with a plus sign next to it. You're going to want to go ahead and click on that. And you'll see there's an add friend. You can put in their right ID. So you're going to want to go ahead and put in your friends with right ID, whatever it is. And you need to make sure you've got that off of your friend or whoever. And then once you've typed that in, click add friend, and then it will come up there saying that you've added the friend. It's going to send them a request. They'll need to accept it on their end. Once they've done that, you're friends with them. Simple as that. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos on this game and other ones similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.